Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming. If you are old, thank you for returning. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Guys, I went to the most talk about Waterfall, the popular Waterfall in Liberia. It was beautiful. Hey, come to the popular Waterfall. It was a long drive that Waterfall, and we had cotton time. It was cotton time, but the waterfall was really rapid. It took us a long time to get there. It was worth it. We had fun. I went with friends and family, so it was a road trip. Guys, the waterfall is beautiful. We saw the waterfall back down. My little brother decided, but that was beautiful. Place to die. Like your soul, please check out the Kpatawee Waterfall. You will love it. It is supposed to go to plus
At the Kpatawee Waterfall in both countries, where we came to explore, seeing the nature and the beauty of God. How wonderful it is.
Up to the top of where you see the canyon. It was very slippery. While you coming up the water,
There is no county, Waterfall district,
so you have to be
where
careful.
the Lord talk about waterfall. This is where at the Kpatawee Waterfall.
I had fun. It was my first time seeing
We have come to explore to see the nature of God.
but it was my first time up on that side of the country. But yes, I was able to take some beautiful pictures, and you know for sure I had to carry my camera, and I had to sit on the rocks and take some beautiful pictures. Our car broke down, but we make the best use of it and stood in the sunset. Thank you. Please subscribe and comment. I would like to hear from you.